Hi, I'm Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn how to make lemonade. First, you cut your lemons. Once you get all your lemons cut, you need about a 2-pound bag of lemons. Old Southern trick that I've always used is I make a simple syrup. And simple syrup is basically equal parts of water and sugar. And you can do it in a 1-to-1 ratio or a 2-to-2 ratio. You just take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. And then you're going to cook it on the stovetop until the sugar melts, and then it's done. And that's how I sweeten a lot of my products around the house. Lemonade is one of them. I juice all my own lemons. Sometimes the juice, you render twice as much juice and it's much more sour, so this way you can monitor it instead of it being a hard, fast recipe, because you never know how sour the lemons will be. And I love my juicer. Makes it go really quickly, and it keeps all the seeds in the container, and then they don't get in my lemonade. Okay, once you've juiced all of your lemons, you should have about 3/4 of a cup to a cup of lemon juice. And then you want to take your lemon juice and put it in your pitcher. And then you want to put your water in there, and this is 2 cups. And then you want to put your simple syrup in there. And I would say probably about 1/2 cup to start with. At our house, we like the lemonade a little on the tart side. Some people like it a little bit on the sweet side. And then you want to stir it. And then you've got homemade lemonade. Again, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and you just learned how to make homemade lemonade.